Did you know that an estimated 1.28 billion adults between 30 and 79 years worldwide have hypertension? And this figure includes nearly half of the U.S. population, over 119 million adults. High blood pressure or hypertension is a major risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, kidney disease, and other health problems. But don't worry. In this video, let's learn about some of the easiest ways to lower your blood pressure quickly and effectively. First of all, let's see what blood pressure is and why it's crucial to maintain it at healthy levels. Blood pressure is basically the force of the blood pushing against the wall of arteries. The higher the blood pressure, the stronger the force on your arteries. So, high blood pressure may not just damage the walls of your arteries, but also every single organ inside your body, especially the sensitive ones like the brain, eyes, and kidneys. Blood pressure is usually measured in two numbers. The top number is called systolic blood pressure. That's the pressure that builds inside arteries when your heart contracts. The bottom pressure is called diastolic pressure, and that's measured when your heart expands and pulls blood inside. So, if you have a normal blood pressure, about 120 by 80 units, it means your systolic blood pressure is 120, and diastolic blood pressure is 80. Now let's learn about what you can do to lower your blood pressure easily. Number 1. Carotid massage. Carotid massage is a simple method where you gently apply pressure to the carotid arteries in your neck. Here's how you can do it. First, place your fingers on your neck, locate your pulse, and then slowly move your fingers slightly outward, towards your chest. Then massage gently for 5 to 10 seconds. This action triggers a reflex known as the carotid sinus reflex. In simple words, when you press on these arteries, your body senses it as an increase in blood pressure. To counteract this pressure rise, your body slows down the heart rate, lowering your blood pressure really quickly. But there are some very important considerations for you to remember. First, carotid massage offers a quick but only temporary decrease in blood pressure, so it's not at all the way to treat blood pressure. Plus, it should not be done without proper medical supervision, even if your blood pressure is not too high. Also, this procedure may cause dizziness, fainting, or transient slowing of the heart rate, which is why it's essential to monitor the patient closely. And most importantly, you shouldn't do this on your own, especially if you have carotid artery disease, had a stroke or transient ischemic attack, and recent myocardial infarction or heart attack. Number 2. Valsalva maneuver. Another spectacular technique to quickly lower your blood pressure is Valsalva maneuver. It is much simpler and safer than carotid massage. Simply take a deep breath through your nose. Then shut your mouth and pinch your nose with your fingers. Then try to blow out through your close nostrils and maintain pressure for 5 to 10 seconds. And then slowly exhale through your nose and breathe normally. Doing this will increase intrathoracic pressure and compress the major blood vessels, reducing the volume of blood returning to your heart. When you release your breath, the sudden drop in pressure causes a reflexive decrease in your heart rate, which can help to stabilize your blood pressure. And you may also feel an instant feeling of calmness. Many healthcare professionals also use this technique to monitor blood pressure fluctuations. But do remember that if you already have certain heart conditions, a history of stroke, or glaucoma, then you should avoid the Valsalva maneuver without medical supervision. Don't overdo it, as excessive straining during the maneuver can lead to fainting or other complications. Number 3. Box breathing. Box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a simple and effective relaxation technique that involves a specific pattern of breath control. It's called box breathing because the pattern forms the shape of a square. Here's how to do it. First of all, you have to breathe in and out a few times through your nose. Then take a deep breath through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Then hold your breath for another 4 seconds. Exhale completely and quietly through your mouth to a count of 4. Hold your breath for another count of 4 before beginning the cycle again. Continue this pattern of inhaling, holding, exhaling, and pausing for several cycles, maintaining a calm and steady pace. Box breathing works by activating the body's parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. When the parasympathetic system is activated through controlled breathing, it makes you feel relaxed and decreases your stress hormones like cortisol. As stress levels decrease, your blood vessels start to relax, your blood pressure goes down, and your heartbeat starts to stabilize. So here, you can find another cause of high blood pressure, and that is chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones are actually there to help you deal with the stress, but they also have a side effect of increasing your blood pressure. But if you're stressed on a regular basis, or if your stress levels are constantly high, these changes in your blood pressure can become chronic. This can damage your blood vessels and increase your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Box breathing can help you to lower your stress level as well as high blood pressure. You can also do it before bedtime to promote relaxation and better sleep. You can also do it before tasks that require focus or concentration, like work or studying. But don't do this exercise repeatedly after a short period. It can lower your heart rate to a dangerous level. That's not the end of this video, though. We have some other techniques to make you relax and energize at the same time. Number 4. Do regular exercise. When you exercise, your body moves, and that can be a great thing to help normalize your blood pressure. Exercise increases your heart rate and makes your heart pump faster, which helps to make your blood vessels more flexible and open. Exercise also helps your body to get rid of extra fluids through sweat, which can be a good thing because too much of these fluids can raise your blood pressure. So when you get moving, you're giving your heart and blood vessels a workout too, and that may help to keep your blood pressure in check. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is like giving your body a cool refresher, and it can help bring down your blood pressure. Water naturally helps to make your blood more dilute and thinner, which makes it easier for your heart to pump it through your blood vessels. Water also helps your body get rid of extra salts via urine, helping to regulate salt concentration in your blood and potentially reducing blood pressure. So by staying hydrated, you're helping your heart work better and keeping your blood pressure in a healthier range. Number 6. Eat potassium-rich foods. Eating a snack that's rich in potassium, like a banana or an orange, can help to lower your blood pressure naturally. First of all, potassium helps to balance out the effects of sodium. It has a natural tendency to replace and push sodium out of your blood via urine. Plus, it has a vasodilatory effect, which means it helps your blood vessels to relax and widen, effectively reducing blood pressure. Other healthy potassium-rich foods are sweet potatoes, tomatoes, spinach, avocados, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kiwi. But be sure to get your potassium levels checked with the help of your healthcare expert, especially if you already have hypertension or heart disease. They can check your potassium levels and help you devise a diet plan to cover up your potassium deficiency. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.